Do you ever worry about your privacy when browse online, or wish you could access geo-blocked content? This is exactly where a VPN, virtual private network, comes in. It acts like an invisible shield for your data. This video will demystify VPNs, from encrypting your data to how they trick your location. Let's start with the core principle of a VPN. Creating an encrypted tunnel. When you use a VPN, your data doesn't go directly to the internet. Instead, it's encrypted and sent through a tunnel safe to a VPN server. Imagine this tunnel as a sealed pipeline, protecting your information from prying eyes. All data within this tunnel is strongly encrypted, transforming it into an unreadable string of characters. Once your data is encrypted, it's sent to the VPN server. This VPN server can be located anywhere in the world. This is where the geolocation trick happens. Your data travels from your device through the encrypted tunnel to this VPN server. Then, the VPN server decrypts the data and sends it out to the public internet, to the internet. All your requests appear to originate from the VPN server's IP address, not yours. Because of this, VPNs offer significant benefits for privacy and anonymity. Your internet service provider, ISP, can only see that you're connected to a VPN server. They cannot see which websites you're visiting or what you're doing online. The websites you visit also only see the VPN server's IP address. Your true location is hidden. This helps protect your online identity and activities from being tracked. So, what about accessing geo-blocked content? How does a VPN achieve that? When you connect to a VPN server in a different country, the internet thinks you are in that country. For example, if you're in Vietnam and want to watch a streaming service only available in the US, you just connect to a VPN server in the US. The streaming service will then grant you access. This is how VPNs help you bypass geographical barriers on the internet with ease. To ensure security, VPNs use strong encryption protocols. Common protocols include OpenVPN, IKEV2, IPsec, or WireGuard. Each protocol has its own advantages and disadvantages in terms to speed and security. They establish the rules for creating the secure tunnel and how data is encrypted and decrypted. Using a secure protocol is key to protecting your information. However, VPNs also have some drawbacks and considerations. Encrypting data and routing it through a VPN server can slow down your internet speed. The quality of VPN services varies greatly. Free providers are often less secure and slower. A reputable VPN provider will not keep logs of your activity. A no-logs policy. Always choose a trustworthy VPN provider to ensure optimal privacy and security. The future of VPNs will continue to evolve with the increasing complexity of the internet. They will become faster, smarter, and even easier to use. VPNs will not just be security tools, but an essential part of accessing an open and secure internet, an invisible layer of protection, empowering users to control their own data, from encrypting every tiny data packet to changing your IP address. VPNs are an essential technology. Next time you browse safely or access geo-blocked content, remember the invisible tunnel at work. What role do you think VPNs will play in the future of the internet? Share your thoughts.